Hi everyone, welcome to Alchemy Education. My name is Garima Singh. Owing to the persisting situation in the country because of COVID 19, or you can say coronavirus, the Central Board of Secondary Education has decided to revise the syllabus for senior secondary and secondary classes. So, if you want to check the revised syllabus, you can go to their official website, that is cbseacademic.nic.in. On the home page, you will find a link to revised curriculum. Go to that link. Then there will be two links in the next page. First link is to the revised curriculum for secondary classes, that is class 9th and 10th. And the second one is revised senior secondary curriculum for class 11th and 12th. If you go to the second link, you will find a list of further links. There is a link which says curriculum detailed deduction details. If you go to this link, you will find the list of subjects. So these links will take you to the PDF which has the list of topics which have been deleted from the syllabus for the respective subject. So if you go to deleted chemistry, there will be a PDF. This PDF has the list of topics which have been deleted from the syllabus of class 11th and 12th for the subject chemistry. So for class 12th, from the chapter 1, that is solid state, electrical and magnetic properties, band theory of metals, conductors, semiconductors and insulators, and N and P type semiconductors has been deleted. From chapter 2, that is solutions, abnormal molecular masses, Van 't Hoff factor has been deleted. From third chapter, that is electrochemistry, lead accumulator, fuel cells, corrosion, law of electrolysis, dry cell, electrolytic cells and galvanic cells has been deleted. From fourth chapter, chemical kinetics, concept of collision theory, activation energy, Arrhenius equation has been deleted. Now you have to note that in front of concept of collision theory, in the bracket they have written elementary idea, no mathematical treatment. So only this part has been deleted. Only the elementary idea has been deleted. Mathematical treatment is as such. Now for the fifth chapter, that is surface chemistry, the emulsions part, that is types of emulsions, from catalysis, homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis, activity and selectivity of solid catalysts, and enzyme catalysis has been deleted. For the sixth chapter, that is general principle and processes of isolation of elements, this entire unit has been deleted. For the seventh chapter, that is P block elements, preparation and properties of phosphine, sulfuric acid, its industrial process of manufacture, oxides of nitrogen, only the structure, phosphorus. For phosphorus, the allotropic forms, compounds of phosphorus, and the preparation and properties of halides and oxoacids has been deleted. Eighth chapter, that is D and F block elements, chemical reactivity of lanthanoids, electronic configuration of actinoids, oxidation state and comparison with lanthanoids of actinoids, and the preparation and properties of KMNO4 and K2Cr2O7 has been deleted. From ninth chapter, that is coordination compounds, structure and stereoisomerism, importance of coordination compounds in qualitative analysis, and extraction of metals in biological system has been deleted. For 10th chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes, uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, iodoform, freons and DDT has been deleted. From the chapter 11, that is alcohols, phenols and ether, uses with special reference to methanol and ethanol has been deleted. The 12th chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid has been kept as such. So you can say that this is the most important chapter because nothing has been deleted from this chapter. From the 13th chapter, that is amines, diazonium salts, their preparation, their chemical reactions and importance in synthetic organic chemistry has been deleted. 14th chapter, that is biomolecules. From this chapter, oligosaccharides like sucrose, lactose and maltose, polysaccharides, starch, cellulose, glycogen, importance of carbohydrates, vitamins, classification and functions, enzymes, hormones, elementary idea of excluding structure. This part has been deleted from biomolecules, and the chapter polymers and chemistry in everyday life has been completely omitted out of the syllabus. So this was all about the deleted or reduced part of the syllabus. If you want to check the revised syllabus, you can go back and click on the revised academic electives group A. From there you can click on revised chemistry, and this will take you to a link to a PDF which has the revised syllabus for class 11th and 12th of chemistry subject, and you can see what all has been omitted out and what all has been kept as such for these subjects. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.